Okay, you grab me and I put the hand here and I break the head. I'm pulling the hand here, you see I'm pulling the hand and then I have the face. And then I can break the angle again. I'm losing my body, you see I'm using my body, I'm using my torso, breaking the kneecap and breaking the head. And then when I have two hands, is how to use the both hands hard. I have to flex my body and break the elbow using back and thrust. And break my elbow, I can use my foot to remove him, and then I can break him and finger. I can use the leg, you see, already my hands is opening. Break the head and break the head. Already he approached me, so I break the head and break the face. Again, and the face. You see, if you grab your heart, put the hand here and grab. If you have two hands on the shirt, you have to use. I'm getting up and twisting my elbow. You see, the elbow is near the knee. I break the elbow, and then I can break this. So in this situation, this is enough. This balance. Okay, one, and I break the hand, and I can break it. So I'm using this. You see, when the hand is coming in to defend, then the other hand can hit. See it. You have to use lower punches. You see, like this, breaking the elbow and hit on my head. You see, and I'm flashing.